Let me ask you something. Is your service department busy right now? I mean genuinely busy, full parking lot, repair orders stacked up, technicians clocked in every single day, advisors juggling calls and walk-ins, parts counter moving non-stop. From the outside, it looks productive. It feels productive. But at the end of the month, the numbers still frustrate you. Absorption isn't where you want it to be. Technician efficiency isn't consistent. Gross profit feels unpredictable, and you can't quite put your finger on why. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Here's what most RV and marine dealership owners don't realize. If your department is busy, but the margins aren't improving, you don't have a traffic problem. You likely have a systems problem. And systems problems inside fixed operations are expensive, not dramatic, not obvious, but expensive. Small breakdowns in workflow quietly compound. A little delay here, a little inefficiency there, a little lack of structure somewhere else. And over time, those small breakdowns turn into 6 figures of lost opportunity. Not because anyone is lazy, not because your team doesn't care, but because the structure underneath the activity isn't tight enough. My name is Mark Boswell. I'm the founder of Crossroads of America Consulting. I work exclusively with RV and marine dealerships on fixed operations performance, service, parts, warranty, dispatch, technician efficiency, and absorption strategy. For more than 15 years, I've walked inside dealership after dealership across the country. Different ownership, different state, different market, but the same pattern shows up again and again. The service department is busy. The team feels overwhelmed. Yet profitability remains inconsistent. That pattern is not random, it's structural. The villain inside most service departments is not your technicians. It's not your advisors. It's not even staffing in most cases. The real villain is uncontrolled process. Dispatch happening without discipline. Repair orders entering the shop without full readiness. Parts not staged before technicians begin work. Warranty approvals slowing down momentum. No daily visibility into technician efficiency. No leadership cadence driving urgency and accountability. Individually, these feel small, but collectively, they destroy margin. And the worst part, they start to feel normal. Let's do simple math. Let's say you have 10 technicians. Each technician misses just 3 billable hours per week. Not 10, not 20, just 3. At a $140 effective labor rate, that's over $200,000 per year in lost labor revenue alone. Now add missed parts gross, warranty inefficiency, underutilized capacity, weak upsell opportunities, incomplete repair orders, lost workflow momentum. That's how you quietly hit $400,000, even $500,000 in annual leakage inside your RV or marine service department. And most owners never see it clearly because it hides inside the word busy. Busy looks impressive, but busy without structure is expensive. There are 6 core systems that determine whether your service department thrives or bleeds. Number 1, leadership and decision design. Are performance numbers reviewed daily or only at the end of the month? Number 2, dispatch and workflow control. Is dispatch strategic and intentional or reactive and rushed? Number 3, advising and repair order readiness. If the repair order isn't clean before it reaches a technician, productivity drops immediately. Number 4, parts flow and availability. Technicians waiting on parts is one of the most expensive silent killers in fixed operations. Number 5, warranty process control. Warranty doesn't have to destroy momentum, but poor structure absolutely will. And number 6, capacity planning and scheduling. Are you scheduling based on real technician capacity or simply overbooking and hoping it works out? When these 6 systems align, profit stabilizes. When even one breaks down, you bleed. If nothing changes, here's what usually happens. You blame hiring. You blame technician performance. You blame the economy. You blame seasonality. But underneath, the system is still broken. And busy without control is just expensive chaos. The stress increases, the frustration builds, but the real solution never gets addressed because everyone assumes activity equals progress, and that assumption is dangerous. Now imagine this instead. Technician efficiency consistently in the 85 to 92% range, absorption climbing into the 80 to 90% range, dispatch clean and predictable, repair order readiness structured and consistent, parts staged before technicians even begin, warranty controlled and flowing, daily reporting driving leadership decisions, less stress, more predictability, higher margin. That's not theory, that's operational structure, and it is absolutely achievable. Let me tell you something most dealership owners don't want to hear. If your service department is producing less than it's capable of, it's not because your people aren't working hard enough. It's because the environment they're working in isn't engineered for performance. Technicians don't wake up trying to be inefficient. Advisors don't intentionally write weak repair orders. Parts managers don't want technicians standing around waiting. But without a structured operational system, good people get trapped inside average processes, and average processes produce average results. When I walk into a dealership, I'm not looking for blame. I'm looking for friction, because friction is where profit leaks. Here's the truth. Most RV and marine dealerships don't need more customers. They don't need more technicians. They don't need more square footage. They need operational alignment. Alignment between leadership and daily reporting. Alignment between dispatch and technician capacity. Alignment between parts and service flow. Alignment between warranty and momentum. When alignment happens, performance accelerates. When alignment is missing, stress increases. Stop chasing activity. Start evaluating structure. If this message challenged you, if it made you rethink how your service department is really performing, then do me a favor. Click the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications, because I'm going to continue breaking down real fixed operation strategies specifically for RV dealerships and marine dealerships across the country. No fluff, no generic advice, just structured, measurable performance improvement inside service and parts departments. My name is Mark Boswell. I'm the founder of Crossroads of America Consulting. We specialize in helping RV and marine dealerships increase technician efficiency, improve absorption rate, tighten dispatch workflow, strengthen warranty processes, and drive predictable fixed operations profitability. If you're ready to stop guessing and start engineering performance inside your service department, visit www.crossroadsofamericaconsulting.com, because profit doesn't improve by accident, it improves by design. I'll see you in the next video.